Hello everyone! So, meron ako i-flex ngayon. So, konting story muna tayo, no? Last time, kailan ba to? No, Wednesday, I think, no? Nagkita-kita kami ng aking mga college besties, no? And one of my friends from Australia, no, after 10 years siya, nag-visit siya dito. So, nagkaroon kami ng reunion. And, of course, hindi pwede mawala yung mga pasalubong. And, ito yung binigay niya. If i-flex ko lang to, I'm so very excited. And, ang cute-cute niya, no? Napaka-unique. Actually, 2 colors to eh. And pinagpili niya. Ako, alam mo naman ako, pa-bebe yung momshi. So, I chose this off-white color. The other one is black, pero ito pinili ko. It's Kambuka. Ever heard about this? So, sinearch ko siya, and I would say to you na ito, babasahin natin, ano. Well, I searched it from one of the website, no. It's a ready for adventure, no. Kakaibang twist. Kasi, this daw, Meet Alton Insulated Nightfall. This brand is 100%, no. Leak and spill proof, no, model in pwede siyang 600 ml, 750 ml, or even 1,000 ml. And itong pinaka-importante, it keeps your drinks and cool for up to 2 days. O, diba? Yun eh. Na talagang tumatagal yung lamig niya. It's very important. Lalo na nowadays, no? Napakainit ng panahon. So, kailangan talagang laging malamig ang ating iniinom. And what I love about this is ang kanyang mga features. Kung makikita nyo, meron siyang 3 lid, no? 3-in-1 lid. Ano itong mga 3-in-1 lid? Dito, ipupush mo to. Meron siyang unang lid. Kung makikita nyo, may drawing siya. It's for open, push, and lock. Yan. So, ito, ipupush mo siya. You have to push this one. Yan. Yan. Ito. So, ito, to drink mo na yung full drink. Makikita mo yung butas. And then, or pwede mo siyang i-lock lang. Open, and then lock. Pero ako, mas prefer ko siya, in-open ko dito. Diba? Mas sanay ako na dito iniinom kesa dito. And one more thing is, it's a snap clean na mas madali siyang linisin. Diba, normally ito na yung problem natin sa mga bottled water. Yung paano lilinisin yung loob. And this one is so easy kasi you just have to snap. Kaya nga, snap clean. Yan, ipipress mo lang siya. And it's so easy to clean. Madali mo na siyang linisin dito. O, diba? And then, just snap it back. And that's it. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Kasi nga talagang, normally talaga yung iba, itong hirap linisin eh, pag nasa loob. Pero ito, you have to snap clean. Kaya snap clean. Kung kunin mo siya, mas madali siyang linisin. Yan. So, this is it. Kambuka. So, search nyo sa website and marami kayong makikitang iba't ibang style. May plastic siya for kids, may parang coffee and mug, and this one is bottled and everything. I love it. Thank you so much, Bestie Jean. No? And I hope you enjoy na magbakasyon kayo dito. And I really love this one. Diba? Bagay na bagay sa aking personality, off-white. I really love the off-white one. Parang napaka-girly ko. So, thank you so much and I love this. Search na rin to, Kambuka.